Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my presentation. And before I get started with that presentation, I just wanted to tell you guys that Exitus Elite this coming month, March 2022, Exitus Elite is going to get the biggest update in 8 years. And if you guys want to know if this business is real, it's been running successfully for 8 years. And our owner, Paul Stevenson, has always put the members first and the company first. He's always making updates that will help with us making our business a success. So, so, um, so I'm really excited about that. I really can't wait until he actually tells us what it's all about. I got into Exodus Elite a couple months ago, and I made my first sale recently, but that was a pass up sale. So I'm going to talk about everything about Exodus Elite. This is a one up compensation plan. So what that means is, let me come right here. So I came in here at the G1000. So we have a one up compensation plan. So what that means is, so when I made my first sale, that was my qualifying sale. So that sale, that $1,000 commission, got passed up to my sponsor. So he got my first commission because that's the qualifying sale. And as you can see right here in my dashboard, it now says that I'm at G1000 and I'm qualified. So now all the commissions, and that's my first sale right there. So that's my first sale. So so let me go back to this right here. So I came in at the G1000. So what's going to happen is once you make your qualifying sale, you can start making the $1,000 commissions right away after that. So and then the cool thing about it is when your referrals start building their business, they're going to pass their commissions, their first commissions up to you. So you got your regular commissions that you make, and then you also got residual income on top of your your commissions. So at the G100 and the G250, there are no pass ups at these two levels. So it's only at the G500 and up. So at your highest level, that's where you're going to pass up your commission. So I came into the G1000 because I wanted to also be able to make the $100 commissions, the $250 commissions, and the $500 commissions as well. So, and I also get all these products here at no extra cost. And the products that we sell in Exodus Elite are all training products. So this is the G100. You get all this training right here. And then you got your G250, more training here, G500, and then the G1000, which I came into. And at the G100, 1000 level, you get these interviews with all these successful millionaires and how they built their affiliate businesses online. So you're going to learn their secrets on how they became a success. And on top of that, you also get more training right here as well. And even more training on the video on demands for the G1000. And then here at the G2000, our newest level, where you can make $2,000 commissions, you get all this training right here. So to get back to this right here, so in Exodus Elite, we make 100% instant commissions. So that gets you you get to choose how you get paid. So like I'll give you an example right here. So this is actually some ad art that we're giving out to our team, and a friend of mine gave me permission to show this stuff just to show you what's possible in Exodus Elite. So, like I said, Exodus Elite doesn't hold our money and they don't pay us. So we get paid instantly to the payment processor that we choose. So if we want to choose PayPal, We can choose PayPal, we can choose Cash App, we can choose Zelle, we can choose Stripe, and if it's not there in our back office, there's a place where you can also list other places where you can get paid your commissions. So so this is how you're going to do it. So let's say you came in today. You came in here at the G1000. Now the G1000 is the most popular product in this lifespan of Exitus Elite. It's our number one product. About 90%, there's a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 level than any other product level. But there's a good reason for that, because you're positioning yourself to be able to make life-changing income. Now, if you can't, obviously, you can't come in at the G1000 level, at least come in as high as you possibly can, because you do not want to miss out on any commissions that you can possibly make. So this is how you would purchase your product. This is a yearly membership fee. We do not take any automatic payments on renewal. So this is the membership fee that you pay to Exitus Elite. This is how Exitus Elite makes their money. So you're going to pay the membership fee, and then you're going to pay your sponsor their commission. So whatever payment processor that they use, that's where you're going to pay that commission to. It's important to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan. You have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So that's where you're going to be paying for the product itself. So you got the membership fee and then the product that you pay. So these are just the prices for the G100. And then you got the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. So let's say I want to upgrade now. If you want to upgrade in Exitus Elite, all you got to do is pay the difference for what you already purchased. So I already paid $299 to become for the membership fee, and I already paid $1,000 in the commission. So what's going to happen is you're going to minus the $299 from here and minus the $1,000 from the commission paid. So you're going to just pay the difference for what you already purchased. And the same goes for the G100, the G250, the G500, and there we go. So that's how the products work. Now, since I am already qualified at the G1000, I can make any of these commissions. Plus, I can also make override pass-up commissions. So what that means is when I upgrade, so let's say you came in here at the G100 and you make a G1000 sale. So what's going to happen is you're already going to get paid the $100 commission due to you, but the remaining $900 of that commission is going to get passed up to the next person qualified, which is me, because I came in at the G1000. So I'm just showing you the different angles on why I did it the way I did it. I always try to go as high as I possibly can in any business that I do for this reason. So that's how we get paid. That's how the compensation plan works. That's how everything works. So when you do become a member of my team, what you're going to get is additional training on top of all the training that you get in Exitus Elite. This is Sean Powell's 3 generations bonus training. And you're going to get 27 videos here. Right now, he is updating the links. So by the time you get to this page, you might already have all this training already. So, and then the second part of Generation 1 is questions and answers. Now, this is a presentation that my friend made, and these are all broken down to different sections. So That's what you get in Generation 1. Generation 2, you get some Craigslist training. So if you want to learn how to promote Exitus Elite or any other business that you want to promote on Craigslist, you got all the information right here. And then you got your mega swipe file, which I will talk about in a little bit. And then you also got some Instagram training as well. And there's also, now he just added this, there's a place where you can actually buy traffic to go to your Exitus Elite links. So, and then if you have Power Lead System, you can use all these share codes if you want. And then you got some more training. You got a training on affiliate marketing right here. You got phone calls, orientation, phone calls, credibility, making momentum, and more. So this is all really good training from a six-figure earner. And then you got more training here, and you got all these other videos right here as well. So you're going to get so much training and so much support that there's no reason why you can't make this work for you. It really comes down to you and you being willing to learn and to put in the work necessary to be successful. So we're going to go to the mega swipe file right here real quick. So what this is actually all these links right here are all free classified links right here that you can use to promote your Exitus Elite business. Today, I actually put a ad right here in the free ads forum, and I actually just got a lead tonight from this post right here. I'm pretty sure it came from that area because I set it up to also watch one of my videos. So she watched that video, I think, because I got a few hits on that video today. So I added one of my videos into that ad today. So, but you get all of this training right. You get all these links right here, and we also provide the headlines, and we also provide the ad bodies right here. So these are the ad bodies right here. So you can actually copy and paste these as they are, or you can actually tweak them. So whatever you decide to do, you can just copy and paste these here. Then we have some Craigslist scripts to if you want to post on Craigslist. Facebook scripts. So if you want to promote on Facebook and in work from home Facebook groups, you can add these scripts here. Little pointers on how to promote on Facebook right here. And then we got some examples of some ad art that my sponsor made right here. So, and then we also have our teen ad art. So this is where what I started off with. So I want to show you guys a little bit more of this, some income proof from my friend. Now you can use these, you can actually use these ad art as well in your trainings. To build credibility until you get your first commissions. So like I said, I've always said in all my videos, this is for illustrational purposes only, just to show you what is possible with this business, with Exitus Elite. So obviously my sponsor, he always goes big in his businesses. So he came into the G1000 right away, like I did. And as you can see right here, 31,000 in 13 days. And this is screenshots of his PayPal. This is actually money he made. I think this was back when he first started 6 years ago, and he's 40,000 in 30 days. So, and then you can use these ad arts in your ads if you want to. I used this one in my ad today, another $1,000 day. And as you can see the arrow, this was actually from November of last year. So 8 years later, this business is still being successful, and people are still getting paid in this business. So here's a few more things, examples of money he's made over the years. So that is Exitus Elite. That's what everything's all about in Exitus Elite. So if you want to join Exitus Elite, the link to join is in the description below. So you're going to fill out your information, and you're going to go through the capture page. I'm going to show you one example of a capture page in Exitus Elite. This is an example of one of them. This shows you the quality of this business. This is actually a lead capture page that's going to take you to a short video of myself introducing myself and telling you how much I love this business. So, and Exitus Elite gives you the ability to make your own video so you can build rapport and trust with your team. Like I've always said, I'm very accessible. All my contact information is in the description below, plus all of my information and links to my businesses. So that's Exitus Elite. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel as well, and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, everything is in the description below. My link to join, my contact information. Feel free to call me, send me a friend request on Facebook, and also you can call me through the Facebook Messenger app. There is a phone icon in the app itself, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.